Hi there! Here at Quivers, we're always working hard to ensure that our software suite helps you maximize revenue and build successful collaboration on every step of the retail ladder. Want to boost your customer relationships and increase revenue? It's so easy with our new streamlined consumer relationship management CRM software. Not sure how to make the most of your growing client database? Quivers CRM feature lets you effortlessly organize consumer information and take advantage of marketing opportunities that can increase revenue and enhance brand loyalty. Whether you have an existing CRM tool or you're optimizing your database for the first time, Quivers CRM fits seamlessly into your technology stack and allows you to build better relationships with consumers, monitor the products they buy, and contact them with the right offers at the right time. View a consumer's lifetime order history, feedback they have provided about orders, any product reviews they have left, and much, much more. Additionally, find out if consumers would like to be marketed to or not. Assign them to consumer groups and easily filter them to make segmented lists ready for future marketing and reporting. And even more good news, consumer groups can now be archived rather than just deleted, so you can unclog the CRM suite without disposing of valuable data. It couldn't be easier to start using Quivers CRM. From your account, you'll see all consumer data is automatically available thanks to our seamless integration with your existing tools or CRM. You can also import additional data using a CSV file, or even add consumers manually. When you're using the Quivers platform, new orders and consumer information automatically appears through the CRM view, so you keep all your data current and in one convenient place. Ready to see the results of using the most efficient and easy-to-use e-commerce platform? Go to our website, www.quivers.com, and log into your account. Or if you're not yet a part of the Quivers family, book a demo for your business today. Thanks for watching.